Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, basic concepts in geometry. In previous video, we have seen introduction of this lesson, basic concepts in geometry. Now let us see next point, coordinates of points and distance. Coordinate means point which denote the number. That is called coordinate. So let us see definition. The point on the number line denotes the number. Then it is said that the number is the coordinate of that point. See, this is a number line. Point O denote the number 0. Therefore, 0 is the coordinate. Similarly, point D denotes the number 1. Therefore, 1 is coordinate. Similarly, point E denotes the number 3. Therefore, 3 is coordinate of that point E. Now, see the coordinate of point A, that is -5. Similarly, the coordinate of point D, that is 1. Now here we have to find distance between any two points. So distance, we have to take any two points, suppose point A and B, and we have to find distance between these 2 points A and B. Therefore, distance between the points A and B is denoted by distance between the points AB, or we can say length of AB, or length of segment AB. So here we have to find distance between the points AB. Here coordinate of point A, that is -5, and coordinate of point B, that is -3. So numbers are increasing from left to right. So here -3 is bigger than -5, and therefore we have to take bigger number minus smaller number while finding the distance between any two points. So here we can say that -3 greater than -5. So bigger number minus smaller number. So here coordinate of point A, that is -5, coordinate of point B, that is -3, and -3 is bigger than -5. Therefore we have to take bigger number, that is -3, middle sign minus, and smaller number -5. So -3 as it is, minus into minus plus 5. So -3 plus 5, it can be written as 5 minus 3, and 5 minus 3, that is 2. So here distance between AB, or length of segment AB, that is +2, and distance is always positive. So here we got positive value, that is +2. Similarly, number 2, we have to find the distance between the points OE. Now see coordinate of point O, that is 0, and coordinate of point E, that is 3, and 3 is bigger than 0. Therefore again we have to use this formula, bigger number minus smaller number. So here bigger number is 3, smaller number is 0. So 3 minus 0, that is 3. Therefore distance between the points O and E, or length of segment OE, that is 3. Here we got positive value 3. Next, number 3, we have to find the distance between O and B, OB. So distance between the points OB. Here coordinate of point O, that is 0, and coordinate of point B, that is -3. So numbers are increasing from left to right. Therefore 0 is bigger than -3. So here we can write 0 greater than -3. So again we have to use this formula, bigger number minus smaller number. So bigger 0 minus smaller number, that is minus 3. Now minus into minus plus 3, and therefore we got distance between O and B, that is plus 3. Therefore distance between the points OB is equal to plus 3. Next, number 4. We have to find distance between AC. Now see, the coordinates of point A, that is minus 5, and coordinate of C, that is minus 2. Numbers are increasing from left to right, therefore minus 2 is bigger than minus 5. So bigger number minus 2 minus smaller number minus 5. Here minus 2 bigger than minus 5. So here minus 2, minus into minus plus 5. Now here minus 2 plus 5, that is 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. Therefore distance between the points AC, that is plus 3, or distance between the points AC, it can be written as length of segment AC, that is plus 3. So don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.